So I'm traveling again today, guys. So the last time I made a video talking about us going to repair our phone. I don't know what they did, but the phone is not repaired. Okay, so I am supposed to now, like, we're going to go back and see, like, we'll give it back to them to check again. But just when we arrived, our clutch lever spoiled. So we bought it and we gave it to a fixer. Peter to fixing it. You can see, it's actually a bit. I don't know. Maybe I don't know why she's not happy or she's sad or she's pissed.
At this point, we were both a bit frustrated. So immediately after the motor was repaired, we headed back to the repair shop, waited for a while for them to fix our phone, and then we decided to go and take some food before we headed back.
What are you doing? We have finished fixing the phone and our motorbike. As you guys can see, have already seen the video. I made mention our motorbike spoiled on the way. Luckily, it wasn't an accident. Let me say, well, that's like something that would have made us die. So that's what I'm thankful for. But right now we are here to get food again. I don't know, anytime we travel, we are always hungry, kind of, even though the journey is not that far, but yeah. So we want to get some fried rice and jollof, and I'll show you guys when it comes. You can stop. Very good. Ni what tau? That's how nice the food is. I'm going to actually open it right now. And okay, here we are. I don't color grade my videos. I would have let you guys see how it looks. It's kind of nice, but I'll take a photo and show it to you guys. I know opening your food. I want to go. Actually today, I don't regret us buying the food because the last time bought 30 cedis and actually the food taste as compared to this one is way different, and it wasn't actually plenty as compared to this. Though yes, hear me out. This one is 50 Ghana cedis, and I can assure you that it is worth it. And I actually enjoyed it today. I couldn't even finish my food today. 50 Ghana cedis with a fat chicken, like chicken thigh. The other one, yes, it was 30 cedis, but I mean, come on, man. It should have been shown. I should have known, like I would know if this particular food I'm eating right now is worth the money. Do it better and increase the prices. Nobody cares. So we just go back home. We just go back home and then I didn't finish my food. I'm not going to finish it actually.